guys? Give you guys a small show. This is D&E Raps. We are preparing to take the sign down, the horseplay, and put up the new sign. It will be called the venue. Alright, that's front to back. I'm going to give you a little snippet of the type of work that we do here at D&E Raps. Alright, and this is just a small segment of our operations. Anything that has to do with vinyl wrapping, signage, commercial fleet wraps, custom vehicle wrapping, you name it, we can do it. Yes, we can. Alright, we officially took the sign down. This is D&E Raps. And once we make sure all the electrical work is operational, we will install the new sign. So just let you know the process and check out our work as we go. Alright, this is the old sign we just took down. Once again, this is D&E Raps. We're located in Douglasville, Georgia. Alright, that's the old sign. Guys working on it. Hey, say hello, Paso.
What's going on?
Yeah. All right. It's the new sign called the venue. All right, got my guys working on it. All right. Come check out the Venue Lounge, 4730. Alrighty, people, we are almost complete. We have put up both sides of the new signage, the venue, the new club / lounge.
Ain't no border stopping us.
Huh?
I said, ain't no border stopping us.
Yeah. Hey, that's a good one, brother. Yes. So we are completing this work here. I'll grab it. This work here. What's up? Hope y'all can see this. My camera work is not the best. Here we go. Let's final touch up. We're good to go.